Hey everybody, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super easy makeup tutorial that anybody can follow. So let's get started. Before I put on any makeup, I am going to add a little bit of moisturizer to my face to make sure that my skin is ready to go. Then my first step before I do BB cream or anything else is I like to add some concealer. I put some concealer on any zits that I may have, any discoloration, and also I do have some under eye bags. So as you can see, I'm doing two different motions with my brush. I'm spreading the product and then I'm dabbing it in. So I like to evenly spread it over my face and whatever areas I need, and then I dab it in to make sure that it gets evenly blended. Next up, I'm going to take some BB cream. Once again, you can use whatever BB cream you want, but I'm going to be using this Puralisse BB cream that I got in my Pixie bag with that same brush, and then I'm just going to dab it all over my face. Once I have it evenly spread out, I am going to dab it all in and just blend it evenly. BB cream is a tinted moisturizer, so it's a really lightweight option that still gives you great coverage. So if you are new to makeup and you don't want to use foundation just because it's a little intimidating, or if you're a pro at makeup and you're just kind of tired of having like thick foundation on your face, BB cream is a really great option. It's quick, simple, and easy, and you'll be all ready to go. Next up, I'm going to put a little bit of powder on. So all you need is a powder that matches your skin tone over top the BB cream, and that will pretty much lock everything in. If you sweat, if you're oily, anything like that, the powder really just helps keep the makeup in place and avoids that oiliness. So as you can see, I just dab it all over, and it does give your foundation, well, your BB cream I should say, a really nice finished look. Blush is a really easy way to pull a makeup look together. It can warm up your complexion a little bit and give you those cute rosy cheeks. So I'm going to be using this Pixie by Petra blush. It is a little bit peachy, and go ahead and smile, see those apples of your cheeks, and put that blush all over, girl. I am just dusting it all over. I want to look sun-kissed, and also I put it on my nose as well. You can add as little or as much blush as you would like. Enjoying my coffee in my Magic Kingdom mug, reminiscing about Disney World and the times before COVID. Anyways, I'm going to be doing my brows now. So what I just did there was I dipped my brow brush in some water, and then I am going to be putting it in this eyeshadow. So when the water mixes with that brown eyeshadow, it makes it just the perfect consistency for me. It sticks right on my skin, and you can get brow pomade for this same effect, but I find that brown eyeshadow with just a little bit of water does the perfect trick for me. Everybody's eyebrow shape is different, but what I like to do is just using this really thin brush, I like to go over strokes of my hair in whatever direction they go up in. So if it's going up, I tilt my brush up, and then if it's going to the side, then I tilt my brush sideways, and bam. I have a more in-depth brow tutorial on my channel if you want to take a look at it. But yeah, so simple as that. I want to go for a really simple beauty look, so I'm just going to be adding a little bit of gold eyeshadow. Well, this is technically gold highlighter, but I'm going to be using it as eyeshadow, and I think that gold looks good on anyone. This is a very light gold color, so whether you're pale or whether you're dark, this gold is going to show up and it's going to look beautiful. So I like to highlight on my eyes, my like honestly my whole entire eyelid, even my eyebrow, and then my cheekbone, just a little bit with my finger. Very low maintenance, but it does make a difference. To finish this look, I'm definitely going to be adding mascara. It honestly just makes you look more awake, more put together, and who doesn't love long eyelashes? So the key for me is to do multiple coats of mascara. I will do one coat on one eye, one coat on the other eye, and then go back to do a second coat on the first eye, because if you let it just dry for a couple seconds and then add more, it is gonna make your eyelashes a lot bigger. So I just gently run the brush over my bottom lashes just to give them a little bit of volume there. This Revlon tinted lip balm is my favorite ever because it's super moisturizing, it's lightweight, and then it also just gives me a pop of color on there. So tinted lip balm is a great low maintenance way to go, and before you know it, you have a full face ready to go out and take on the world. You beautiful angel, you can do it. You can go the distance, follow your dreams. Look at her. She looks so good. You can look so good too. Just follow this tutorial. You can go out there and stunt on everybody, being your best baddie self, you know, just a little motivational, looking for you, because when you look good, you feel good, you act good. She bad. That's all I gotta say, you guys. I'm really happy that you watched this tutorial. I hope that it kind of gave you some insight that makeup can be easy. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to take 30 or 45 minutes to do your whole face. You can just slap on a couple simple products, accentuate your natural beauty, and bam, you are ready to go work some magic. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. XOXO Sarah.